everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanari for anyone that's new here. And today I want to do something a little bit different. I've always thought makeup was kind of therapeutic for me. So I'm deciding to create a makeup therapy series, and if you guys like it, I will continue to do it. So today I want to focus on just being calm and being relaxed. We go through so much stuff every day, and I just feel like sometimes we just need to wind down. So hopefully watching this video will do that for somebody. Alright, you guys, this video is coming to an end. I didn't talk through the video because I wanted to see which do you prefer. Do you prefer that I still give you guys a voiceover in the tutorial, or do you prefer just to listen to the music in the background? Every makeup meditation video that I do won't be exactly the same. I'm going to try some with voiceovers through the whole video, and some will be just music, and some will be with positive affirmations and things like that. So if you have any suggestions, please make sure to comment them down below. I'm open to hear what anybody has to say. So thank you for watching in advance, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. Thank you.